London. It's a beautiful day today for St. Patrick's Day. Ooh, Cheetos. Would you like a Cheeto, me darling? My, I love her green jacket. Just perfect for the date.
Make tons of money.
Yum, yum.
Order this. Click here now. Does that sound familiar? Everywhere you look now are all kinds of opportunities. Everybody has the biggest, the best, the newest, the most unique, whatever. You know the story, people, they're up watching TV late at night after a long night of partying.
Oh, darling.
Next, they fall asleep for a few minutes, wake up, and there it is, the old infomercial. They think about it, decide, oh yeah, what the heck, let's order it. 2 weeks later, their late night shopping experience shows up the door, long after they've forgotten that purchase. Now I have to decide, is it too late to get a refund, or do I just take the hit? Hell no. If you find the item you purchased while you're in a weak moment is nothing you really wanted to use, you're ever going to use again, look at, it's going to be underneath the couch for the next year till you finally get rid of it, send it back. If you're looking for a real way to make money, there are no get-rich-quick schemes. If there were, everybody would be doing them and everybody would be rich, right? If you're looking for an opportunity to be able to make some money, you have to have the following. There has to be a support system with coaching, training, education, tutorials, up-to-date information. You have to be able to implement it, and you have to be able to make decent money. Do your due diligence and find a system, a program that you feel like you can work with. If it looks like something you're interested in, check it out. If not, send it back. Happy St. Patrick's Day.